Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and you see this white screen right here? I'm going to show you how to fix your window capture on OBS, okay? And this is Stream Deck, okay? But guess what? I just changed the Windows 10 and now you see it, okay? I'm going to show you how to switch it. So when you're doing screen capture on OBS, I'm going to change it over here. I'm using Prism Live, but bear with me, okay? So when you're doing a window capture, okay, let me delete this and you're gonna add a new source, and this also works on OBS. I just use Prism Live because Prism Live is legit and it's good for mobile and any other device anyway. So yeah, so once you go to window capture here, you're able to hit OK. So whatever program you have open, have it open, have it up, and then when you go to screen capture, go to whichever program you want to use. I'm going to show you Stream Deck again and show you the white screen of death. So once you go on here, okay, you can put it how you want it, right? But the reason why it's not capturing, because the capture mode is wrong. You have to change it to Windows 10. Okay. Now don't ask me why that fixes this or the window capture. It does it with everything, okay? You can even do OneNote or Edge or whatever you want to use, but automatic is just not automatic. It doesn't work. I don't know OBS, and it's a unit thing because Stream Elements, Prism, OBS Studio, none of them work until you go to Windows 10, then it works. Okay, if it doesn't work, I don't know, change this to match title. I think if you change it to this, it also works. I think if you change it to this, it also works, but if you change it to this, it doesn't work. So yeah, that's how you make it work on OBS. If you have any other questions, let's get it, let's go. I'll see you in another video. Peace.